Yes, this is Hassan Alwi, a Ugandan rally driver, and today I'm here before you to tell you a little bit about the Ginger Rally that's coming up from the 10th to the 12th of July. We expect a fantastic rally here in Ginger, thanks to the Eastern Motor Club, thanks to FMU, and of course all our sponsors. I stand here representing my sponsors, the International University of East Africa and Across the Nile Resort, where we will be hosting the Rally Federation, the Rally families, and all our brothers and sisters and our friends under the Motorsport Federation of Uganda. So I want to welcome you all to the Ginger Rally. I am back in the cockpit after a short rest, and I have a slight upgrade from my Subaru N14. The good news is I'm still with Subaru, so we're going forward with Subaru boys, and we want to see that we put up some challenge, to the Mitsubishis and the Fords and the Hyundai, of course, that have been enjoying our landscape here while I was resting. I think it's time to see that we are represented again.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.